Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get rid of cents when using Cash App. If you're a regular Cash App user or if you're just getting started, this is a common issue you may have encountered and I'll walk you through everything you need to know. For those of you who aren't familiar with Cash App, it's an incredibly convenient and user-friendly platform that allows you to send money to friends, family, or anyone with just a few taps. The process is simple and intuitive. You just open the app, type in the amount you want to send using the numpad on the home screen, and then tap Pay to send it to your chosen contact. It's a quick way to transfer funds without any hassle. But there's one limitation that many users might not be aware of. Cash App doesn't allow you to send amounts lower than $1. Now, you might be able to enter amounts like $10.50 or $25.75, where cents are included. However, the system won't let you send values that are less than $1, such as just 50 cents or even a single cent. You can't send anything that's lower than that minimum threshold. This limitation might be a bit frustrating, especially if you're trying to send smaller amounts, but as of now, there is no workaround available to bypass this rule. So if you're trying to transfer less than $1, Cash App simply won't allow it. Although Cash App doesn't officially explain why this restriction is in place, it's likely designed to avoid potential complications with processing extremely small transactions, like those involving just 1 cent. These types of microtransactions could result in more issues when it comes to processing fees, tracking, and overall user experience. To summarize, if you're hoping to send an amount lower than $1, including just 1 cent or 50 cents, you won't be able to do that on Cash App. The app currently requires a minimum amount of $1 for every transaction. This video is here to help clarify that limitation so you can avoid confusion and be fully informed about how Cash App works. And that's how you can get rid of cents when using Cash App.